What is he doing?
Like my left butt cheek just keeps twitching. That's surprising.
Get out of the way! I'm getting him. He's sleeping. See it drag. Brandon wants to borrow this, but it sucks because I broke it. I think I dropped it in water 2 years ago.
I think after that you talked to me, it works now.
What?
You put in your birthday to get.
I'm about to die.
Taylor's so mad at me.
I got a stomach ache.
Oh, I didn't know what kind of battery it was, and I tested it with my tongue a while ago.
Where?
The battery's like on there. I licked it. I might have killed the battery on my tongue.
No, it's actually working this time. Usually it just turns off and turns on, turns off.
What did I tell you? I said, it's going to turn right off. I'm like, no, it's not. That thing's scary. I'm not touching it.
What is it?
Jester ball. That's a smatter.
What? Did that?
It said Nicktoons smatter. Yo, what? What are you holding? What is that? Is that fish?
No, I don't know. It's something I made at a farm fair.
It's green and it's...
I like it. Oh, my battery's about to die.
Dude, I got one more before.
Can you get off the bed? Because I want to lay down.
How's this gonna work? I thought this was a Jack in a Box.
No.
Look at that.
What is it?
Then you turn it and it plays music over and over again.
Hi.
You almost hit a swimming.
Becky!
This thing's only for like Japan. God, you're such a fucking swimming dick, Jimmy. My duck's swimming glass.
Shut up. Becky!
I'm talking about our skateboard. If I sat on that chair, it's overboard.
Shut up.
Remember I was sitting on that chair?
Not even your cheesecake and if you haven't used.
No, I think I knew it. Wait, no.
What's this? What is this? I can't even see my eye.
Curl my hair.
A yearbook.
It's hanging wrong?
Uh,
What the?
Yeah.
How old? I thought it said babes for a second.
This is 8th grade?
No, that's like 5th grade. Ow.
What happened?
You're sitting on my toe. What are you doing?
Jesus. Get away from me, you monster. Charge your ass.
Shut up.
I hate that thing. Like it's viewing.
I think she was just trying to get out because she wanted to tell my mom.
She's not the cat. I will beat you. And eat you. Send to a casino walk for like $2. Beat me. Turn on your straightener and just crank his ear.
No, it's a her. Anyway.
I don't care.
Where's my remote? Can you like throw me my remote? Right there. Right there.
Where?
Right there, Jeremy. Can you throw me my remote? Jesus. What is this? Was I watching a movie last night?
I'm trying to find black people.
What time did I fall asleep?
No. They are dark. That is the definition of black.
Is Brandon Childress colorblind?
No.
He's not.
He never did the nice and flat, but he's Cole's cousin.
I said colorblind.
I know, but he... No, he's not color... But...
Oh, he's not? Because he's always like,
He's
I don't know him
that.
colorblind.
He was. He's like joking around.
Oh, I told him I had red hair.
What?
Because he was like, I was like, what color's my hair? And he was like, I don't know, I just know it's not blonde. I was like, why? He's like, because if it was blonde, you'd be white. And I was like, oh, it's red. He's like, oh, okay.
Dude, I was in 7th grade from Texas. Jason Young and on.
Oh my god, his stomach ain't gonna go away. About to throw up. Just kidding, it's not as worse.
Kidding?
Who are you looking up?
I found you. You have a heart on you for some reason.
I don't know. Just, I don't like my yearbook pictures in elementary school.
Yo. Is that the retarded kid Dylan? The kid is disgusting. He's retarded.
Be nice.
What do you want me to say?
He's mentally challenged.
He,
He's
he
slow.
doesn't know. No, he's retarded. You can't say
Not
that.
nice.
I can't help it.
Dylan Hill, the guy that's
Dylan Flack.
Oh, he was in my gym class.
Every time he sees music high, he pokes me. I'm like,
This kid named T-Chart that goes to my school retarded. And he talks to me all the time. No.
there's this retarded kid, but he's retarded because he had brain cancer in 8th grade or something. And he's in my gym class. Every time like I'll stir something, I'll smash on him. Like I hit him in the mouth with a birdie, and then today I served the ball and hit him right in the head.
Today.
Yeah, drilled him somehow. He was close to net, just
We
drilled
didn't
him.
have school today.
Okay, yesterday. If you want to be mean about it.
You know Corey Hill?
Like flat out.
You know Corey Hill?
What?
If I
No.
would have looked at this last night and I fell asleep, I would have had nightmares. Some of these kids are weird looking.
No, do you remember Corey Hill?
Michael Dunbar
No.
Jr. He looks like
That's Christina's brother.
he looks like Arnold Schwarzenegger. Jordan Boyer. I wish the black kid, their picture is a mugshot with brick wall.
Where's my computer? Oh my god.
And what?